All right, this is our little cottage, and I am going to do a walk through my dirty car. Oh, I don't know. And this is the owner's cottage, or her house, actually. She lives here. But this is the cottage we're staying in. Very nice lady. We're going to go down to the lake.
You want to try the zip line again?
No.
There's a zip line down here.
Daddy, after we go in the water, you want to play?
Yeah.
We're about to go on the kayaks and the rowboats. It's kind of cold. It's misty.
You don't need the glasses yet either.
Yeah, I brought my sunglasses down.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah. Come on,
Watch
Steven.
out for the Kim. Watch out right here.
What?
The spider web. You're gonna walk right into it.
Oh, ooh. Yeah, there's like an intense, long spider web. I think you can see.
Spider would just jump on your head.
Okay.
I didn't even put off on. Did you put off on, Stevie?
Oh, damn. We didn't put off
Just
on.
run and grab
Let me
it.
go run and grab it. All right, I'll be back, guys.
Oh,
All right, let's continue. So, there's a zip line on the property. Steve and I cannot use the zip line because you have to be 140 pounds or less. But there goes like the station. I don't know if you could see it. But Stevie did it one time. I didn't catch it on camera, but it was so cute. He doesn't want to do it again though. Got a volleyball, badminton, net. And there's some kayaks down there. There's a rowboat over there. Huh? The water's warm? We got some firewood and beach stuff. There's garlic in here hanging. Miss Mary, the owner of the property, she's got an insane garden. It's beautiful. I can't wait to show the house inside. There's a fire pit. I know there's spider webs everywhere. A little hammock over there in between the trees. Huh? It's warm? Okay, I'm gonna come. All right, guys. See ya in the house.
What's down there?
What's down there? Hear the river? We're at Warren Falls in Warren, Vermont. It's part of the Green Mountain National Forest. Oh, you dropped your cow. Is it dangerous right there?
I don't know. Whoa, look at this wall.
Oh, yeah, we can go down there.
You want to?
Hold on.
Dangerous.
Oh, it looks dangerous. Wow.
That is dangerous.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, I'm not going to. Yeah.
I jumped over this. I'll get Stevie. Yeah, don't go in front.
Wow, this is beautiful. Can you guys go down there? I could take a picture of you. Wow. You guys look good.
People went all the way down there.
Yeah, that.
I wouldn't go down.
Yeah, no. This is intense. There's people down there climbing. Oh, this is beautiful though. This water feels good. That's pretty cool, huh?
I want to do that.
No, I don't want him to go over there.
Where's the highest one?
Steve and Stevie are over there. Dangerous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why people? Whoa!